I refer to the instructions, and it says, next I remove the covering and assemble. That means to take the kind of yellow covering that came with the laser cut pieces and peel it off, and then use glue to assemble those parts that have to be assembled. Now, not every part of this press, this game, need to be assembled. Some of them are freestanding, like these side pieces. But I will be peeling off the covering of these pieces that are labeled axle, the below axle. There are 4 of them, and I'll remove the cover.